Hello, gorgeous. Guess what's live? My beautiful luminescent skin elixirs are going live in the next 24 hours inside our beautiful Slimmer Summer program. If you are one of our incredible course participants inside Slimmer Summer, your beautiful skin elixir recipes are here. They will also be for sale on the website www.thehollandclinic.com. My name is Dr. Kirsty Holland, and I've spent the last 3 decades in clinical practice in Melbourne, Australia, supporting and guiding and healing and helping perimenopausal women. I have designed so many recipes over the winter time, and I'm so delighted to share them with you here today. I'm going to run through a few things in our skin elixirs. We've got a perimenopausal skin elixir, a glowing skin elixir, an immunity boosting skin elixir, and it goes on and on. We have got so many gorgeous recipes for you, antioxidants, you name it. And within our beautiful skin elixirs are incredible functional foods. So first up is the GI Restore. Perimenopausal women absolutely need fiber. Fiber not only helps stabilize blood glucose levels and save us from insulin resistance, but fiber feeds our beneficial bacteria in our microbiome. Fiber also helps us to detoxify estrogen appropriately, and we all know that estrogen excess can be a huge issue in perimenopause. So the beautiful GI Restore is a soluble and insoluble fiber. And next, we have a practitioner-only collagen. Who doesn't love hair, skin, and nails that are shining and glowing and strong? But not only does this collagen support your hair, skin, and nails, it supports your bones, your sinews, your tendons, and your muscles to prevent sarcopenia. That's why it is prescription only. And we have a really nice high dose inside our skin elixir recipes, 12.5 grams. So that helps you get towards your protein intake, which is going to prevent sarcopenia or muscle loss in perimenopause. So not only are these skin elixirs amazing for your hair, skin, and nails, they are brilliant for your bones, sinews, tendons, and muscles, and your mood, and to prevent sarcopenia, which is muscle loss in perimenopause. Next, we have Lipo-C, vitamin C. Vitamin C is absolutely brilliant to downregulate the Herxham effect or detox effects, and vitamin C is absolutely brilliant for your mucous membranes and your immunity. And don't forget, collagen needs vitamin C. So vitamin C is going to help with that skin. And then we have Pomgenex. Oh boy, do I love this product. Not only is it the most amazing hydration because it's got coconut water in it, but it also has pomegranate, which is an incredible antioxidant. We need antioxidants for free radical damage and to prevent beautiful detox pathways. For example, we want to increase our antioxidant capacity so that we detoxify estrogen down the beneficial pathways. Pomgenex has sulforaphane in it as well, which helps us with estrogen detoxification, a really high dose of coconut water, and again, beautiful antioxidant pomegranate. And then we have the organic Peruvian maca. This is an absolutely beautiful maca. And so maca has a long history, and I talk about that in here, to support balance and vitality and perimenopausal hormones. So maca is a beautiful functional food, and it's a gorgeous way to balance your hormones. I also use the superfood red and green from Nutra Organics, as well as the acai berry, an incredible antioxidant for you too. And then, of course, for all of my patients in the clinic, I do add practitioner-only products to my skin elixirs. We have things like myo-inositol, which is unbelievable for perimenopausal sleep, let alone ovulation. It really helps us ensure that we have a successful ovulation, as well as L-theanine. L-theanine keeps us calm and allows us to focus. L-theanine is a really great substance to use in your coffee if coffee gives you the jitters, but you really like the taste. And of course, we use NAC, N-acetylcysteine. NAC increases your body's endogenous production of glutathione. We all need to be detoxifying at our absolute best during perimenopause, and if we're detoxifying through the large intestine, we're not detoxifying through the skin. And then again, magnesium threonate is something else I use in my skin elixirs. Magnesium threonate calms the brain, so it crosses that blood-brain barrier, helps us to calm and focus, helps us with our mood and concentration and brain fog in perimenopause. And then also another really high-dose liposomal vitamin C. Mag Calm is one of my favorite magnesium supplements for perimenopause. Not only has it got magnesium in it, it has taurine and it has glycine and it has melissa and it has passion flower. So it keeps us cool, calm and collected, and significantly improves muscle aches and pains, sleep, mood, nervous system dysregulation, and your ability to adapt to stress. And then I use Volcamin Fort in my prescribed skin elixirs. Volcamin Fort ensures that we have all of the minerals that we so desperately need. Our soil has been desperately drained of all the micronutrients and the minerals and the trace minerals that we need for good thyroid. And we all know that our thyroid goes on pause during perimenopause. So minerals are absolutely imperative. I also use Pure D and Mito Excel in my skin elixirs in my prescription only product. Okie dokie, I've got all of the research in our skin elixir booklet. Love the skin you're in. Get a copy of our skin elixirs today inside our Slimmer Summer program, or keep an eye out on the website for purchase. Make sure that you're signed up to my beautiful health notes via my newsletter on the website www.thehollandclinic.com. My name is Dr. Kirsty Holland. I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine. I'm in my 3rd decade in clinical practice. I'm a practitioner of environmental and nutritional medicine. I'm a functional medicine practitioner and naturopath, and I'm here to support perimenopausal women. If you're over the age of 35 and things are not quite right, feel free to jump on a free clarity call with me so that I can help you and not only get your skin shining and glowing, but getting you feeling comfortable in your own skin and enjoying your perimenopause. Take it easy, have a beautiful day, and so looking forward to seeing you inside Slimmer Summer or for a chat on a clarity call. For all my beautiful girls inside Slimmer Summer, your skin elixir recipes are dropping in the next 24 hours. Take it easy. Let me know how you go. Big love. Mwah.